Hey guys, today we got something exciting. The JBL Charge 5. This little powerhouse sits comfortably between the Flip 6 and the Extreme 3 in terms of price. But don't let that fool you. When I cranked it up, it was like having a mini Extreme. JBL boasts a whopping 22 hours of battery life. And guys, it's not just talk. I've been using it non-stop for days without recharging. Plus, it powers up as a power bank for your phone. How cool is that? Design-wise, it's classic JBL all the way. We're talking rugged, stylish fabric, a bold JBL logo, and those iconic base radiators that just scream quality. It's like a mini Extreme, both in looks and performance. The sound? Mind-blowing. There's a long excursion bass driver and a crisp tweeter and those bass radiators, all pushing out 40 watts of sound and 65 hertz for the low frequency, bringing every beat to life. And the size? Perfectly portable. I've been taking it everywhere. And let's not forget about Party Boost, letting you sync up with other JBL speakers like the Flip 6, Extreme 3, or even the Boombox 3 for an immersive sound experience. To wrap it up, the Charge 5 is a must-have if you're looking for a compact speaker with big, bold sound. Now, let's check out how this speaker sounds. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you next time.